Hello and welcome to this Little Fox French key skill video where we will be practicing ER verbs. So let's take parler, to speak. How do we form the ER verbs in the present tense? Well, we have our endings. E, es, for our singular ones, and ons, ez, ent for our plurals. And our subject pronouns for these are je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. So, for parler, what we need to do is we need to take our stem, which is parle, and we need to add our endings. So we have je parle, tu parles, il ou elle parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il ou elle parle. For plural they, masculine or feminine, we don't pronounce the ENT, it's pronounced like these ones here. So let's choose another verb. Let's choose placer, to place. So our verb is placer. And we need our stem, which is place, and we've crossed off the ER. Our subject pronouns are je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. With our endings being e, es, ons, ez, ent. And so to form our verbs, conjugated verbs, we need to add the endings to our stem. So we have je, place, tu, place, il, elle, place, nous plaçons, vous placez, il, elle, place. Again, we don't pronounce the ending ent, we don't say plaçons or plaçons, because it sounds like nous, so it plaçons, ils plaçons, elles plaçons, nous plaçons. No, we don't do that. We just don't pronounce the ent, almost like it's not there. One final verb is manger, and this is slightly different because it has an E, it has a G before the ER. And this is covered in another key skill video, so be sure to check that out. So we have manger, which means to eat. Our stem is mange, and our endings are, well, our subject pronouns are je, tu, il, elle. Nous, vous, il, elle. Our endings are e, es, e, ons, ez, ent. And so to form the present tense for manger, we have our stem here, and we go je mange, tu mange, il, elle mange. For nous, it's slightly different because we have a G, so we add an extra E. So mangions, so nous mangions. In fact, I'll do the whole word in grey and then show you this one in black. So that's clear there, mangions. And then it goes back, vous mangez, il or elle mange. Remember again, we don't pronounce the ENT. So we just did parler, which is to speak, and that follows the usual order. Placer, to place, again follows the usual order. Manger, to eat, and this has a sneaky little E for the nous form, so it's mangions. So for manger, we have je mange, tu manges, il mange, elle mange. For nous, we have a sneaky little E, so we have nous mangions. Vous goes back to the normal form, so vous mangez. Il and elle, mange. And we don't pronounce the ENT for any verbs in the plural form, for they masculine and they feminine. So we just don't pronounce the ENT.